Yeah! Did I nail it? Rico Nasty. Hey, what's up you guys? This is Sierra, also known as Cali Curls. Welcome back to my channel. So I got my hands on the new Rico Nasty and Makiage collaboration limited edition. First off, let's just look at how cute this see-through bag is and how cute this skull is in the back. In the limited edition package, it comes with this. Here goes the first palette. I'm loving the packaging, how it's a see-through green. So this is the Neon Rage pressed pigment palette. Now these are waterproof. The formula is just amazing. This is the Lo-Fi pressed pigment palette. The same cute little skull in the Rico Nasty in green. The Makiage. And then this is what it's looking like. And I am excited. I have not done any swatches on this one yet. I don't know, it just has more colors that I could be able to use on like a regular daily basis, because usually I do the natural no makeup look, but for this video and in honor of Rico Nasty's collaboration, I'm gonna go bold. This is gonna be my first time ever going as bold as I want to go today. So let's do it. It came with 2 eyeliners, a black, a white, and then it came with a blending brush. So here goes the black. Of course, with her edgy looks, you're just gonna need black, so I'm gonna be using it for sure. And then you got white. The blending brush. So I'm going to attempt to recreate a look that Rico Nasty was rocking, that was bold, and I think I could do it. So we're gonna do it. So I'm looking at this video and I'm noticing that the green looks a little different than from the palette. So I'm assuming that her makeup artist that did that had used a different shade or used like green glitter on top of it. But I'm gonna go in with the neon colors and see how that goes. So I'm gonna just do green and pink, but I'm gonna just use the Makiage collection. I don't know. No, I used to do it. I'm gonna do it. Okay. So I'm gonna be going in with the color Nightmare. Okay, first off, I love this big ass mirror that they have here because I just need something on hand when I'm doing my eyes. I don't look in the mirror, or I'm not picking. It's kind of inconvenient to pick up another thing and then hold down your eyeshadow. So I love how big and sleek this freaking mirror is right here. I'm just gonna go wild. Let me look at that picture. Yeah, she has it like all over. Sorry. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in ham and just dive into this. I wonder if I want to use my hands. Let me see. Oh yeah. I think I want to use my hands for this. Now I am not, like, I am going completely out of my comfort zone on this because I'm just not really a makeup type of person. I don't really be wearing makeup unless I'm creating content. Like, I love playing with makeup, but I don't wear it out, so this is fun. The pink is on. I know it looks crazy right now, but the look is wild, so let's get into it, right? Okay, I'm just gonna go in with some darker shades. So now I'm gonna go in with the Lo-Fi palette. I'm gonna go in with Jet Lag for the crease, above my crease, and then this, I'm gonna go in Vacation right inside the crease. These colors are just going on so pretty. Smack a bitch today. Thank God I had to smack a bitch today. So this is shade and I don't know if I want to go in with shade or shade Revenge, but because of these neon colors and just how beautiful they are, I think I'm just gonna stick with the Revenge and go in with that neon color. And it goes on like butter. Like, look at that. I'm barely like touching my eyelid. Let me zoom in. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. Wow.
That's what.
What do you mean it's a lot?
The color
I got a lot on my face.
on your eyes.
On my eyes. Yeah, you're right. You do. I don't usually wear this, huh?
Can I help you? Can I put some yellow?
I don't have yellow. You could grab a little bit of the green and put it on top of the green.
Okay. This?
Yeah. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you so much for your help, Mickey. I'm gonna continue now, okay? So I got the green on. It looks good. I'm just gonna blend it in, and I think I'm gonna do the blue on the inner corners. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Vacation and Jet Lag for my bottom waterline. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna do the other side. Oh, this eye is looking really lopsided right now. Let me do the other side real quick. All right, it's coming together. I'm starting to look like Rico Nasty. I'm going in with Kelsey, which is this neon blue color. I'm gonna go in with the black eyeliner and just put it on my waterline. Oh, this goes on nice. You know how some of those eyeliners be pulling on your under eye? This one just glides on like butter. Like, I'm telling you guys, this formula is everything. Okay, so now it's time for lashes. I'm going in with Your Lashes. They're my favorite lashes. I use them pretty much for every makeup look. And I think I want to go for Jade because I feel like this is more Rico Nasty vibe. So I'm gonna go in with Jade. So I did my face, I put my foundation on, highlighter, did all that, and this is the together look. I'm gonna come up with a lip. Hold on. Okay, so I am going in with MAC Cosmetics, their Night Moth. So I'm gonna go in with their Night Moth. This is what the color looks like on my wrist. It's the closest thing. This is just basically the darkest outliner that I have. And then I'm gonna try to fade it into the blue so the blue just doesn't look like it's a solid blue. Just a little bit, kind of starting to look clownish. I mean, okay, I'm overlining quite a bit. So this is Shellac Shock, and this is Vinyl Underground. These two right here. I think I'm just gonna go for the blue, just because it matches her look more. Oh my god, look at what happened already. Whatever. Let me get a Q-tip. Okay. I am not used to seeing myself. Well, I've never seen myself in this. I don't think this look is going to be complete unless I try to do my hair like hers as best as possible. So I'm gonna try to recreate that sleek bun look, and I'll be right back. All right, let's sleek her up. Okay, so here goes this part. Probably gonna just do something like that. This is how dedicated I am to getting this look down, y'all. I don't want to put any more in my hair, because after that I cut myself, I was like, god damn it. Okay, so I basically tried to make the wire so it's not gonna get, like, you know, stuck in my hair. In the process, kind of poking holes in my skin doing it. So yeah, I was gonna do it on all of them, but I'm just gonna do it on the front ones for the sake of the video. All right, there, we got it. Bam. These wires are so much thinner than the ones that she has in her picture, but whatever. We're just doing a ratchet version of it. Okay, so here goes the final look. You guys let me know how I did, but I had fun creating this look. I've never done anything like this ever. So it was fun. The whole collection is so bomb. I'm really excited to get down on some new looks and really just to step out of my comfort zone more and go for bolder looks, because this was kind of like okay, this was really bold. I like jumped so boldly into it to now that I'm like, I can be bold. So it was fun. What do you guys think of the collection? Here it goes up close. Okay, so that's it, you guys. I am done. This look was fun. I had fun. The makeup is bomb. The whole collab was a go for me. I love it. I cannot wait to make other looks. So that's it, you guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one.